Before Nrivala, let me address this guy, DJ Pads. DJ Pads, um, ish, bra, shaku tusiwa mina. I don't, honestly, I come brush ngespan. I'm sorry to disappoint you. That's all one no respond. Tusiwa snitir bra. Like since Nimele audio, I thought maybe Utao mess up this track and say Kale, but I look, oh man, all you do with the content that childish. The reason in deleted failure we look celebrating Utrangar is because I'm Senuk Chava or something. No. The reason in deleted failure is because Auleku Ntrangar want disrespect because you're not doing nothing. All you do it the content that childish. Minaj. I don't have time for that. I feel like unkulu kwenda lisya. Just imagine mkhalabye akuphedza ihlamba kanaro vari phedza ihlamba kanaro seriously mkhalabye unkulu ngwenya unkulu now vona vafana va le ku byeleni ku game yi cincile and it's true. The game has changed, bro. There's nothing you can do. Fumela win and unge pfuki. Stanzi ni pets rivala, bra man. Anis to go teacher cause utsamaka went at the content class in, but if you teacher continue on up teacher. Rapid sick, you tanzi. So sick not legend. And I maintain there's a lot of best rappers. There's nothing you can do, chance and a team away. Rivala, bra. But another thing, according to me, I don't think I deserve this track way. You don't. You know what? Let's do a live battle, bra. Pads, DJ Pads. Let's do a live battle. Though I know I'm just wasting my time because challenging way accept. Foot, I'm not even challenging you, I'm accepting your challenge. Since when aranga tusa rasela evangabanga pongo because we are gaming mavitia in it beef ta week. Abo when a brawe miloku nekanik kas vesan mo Mrs. Vesan shingwe. As much as I hate to respond to us Vesan so RDP, now you guys you wanna bring one verses. Come on guys. Come on. It's fun of around the young DJ Pads. I make it see kumena we. Ikuma venue straight. Hai palavura. Hai nkuwa. Kukungavina leso shaku. Very home ground advantage, what, because that's what they said after I killed that boy Wale Bush. Though I've said it, Kunuku, this thing, this battle, because what home ground, what. DJ Pads, let's find a date. Yeah, sharp, man, away. I want to kill you live battle, bruh. Nanta provela kwe, utumbela his studio, I'll die. Nata provela ko auto-tune juta, you got nothing. The only time we demonstrate the skills tawe it's when it's through the studio ntsena. Want to say kuwe good. Ikuya iwe, ikuya yini, ikuya iwe kuwe good. It's it's only through the studio ntsena. So it will be no studio, no auto-tune le utumbela kuyo. Me I just need this. I just need. I don't care studio kumbe I don't futa samantrisa auto tune since 2012. I don't use I don't love studio, no beat. We just go a cappella. Mena way better life. Let's do this. Ndakunika chance. I'll say this to you just like I told Laban Ngatsama never challenge up before. Let's go live chava. Let me tell you this, DJ Pads. I'll give ndakunika masiku utsalat lyrics u prepare for King Yahweh. because why need a practice here straight. As they said, go practice makes perfect. Why need that practice, bra mina? Ungati ka men are prepared, I'll kill you. I'll kill you straight, lyrically. Let this be musically only. Nothing, I got nothing personal against you. I got nothing personal against you. I don't even hate you. I don't even have a beef with you. I don't call this a beef because we're childish, so it won't be a beef. Let's go live battle, bruh. Live battle. DJ Pads. Man, now way. Mtimbani versus yourself. Live battle. No beat. No studio. No auto-tune. Live battle. Anok challenge. Ne accept a challenge ya way. Because we are we Russell. We nga ranga tata Russell. We kume kahle ku ri na peace ka tsonga rap ta uta rasa xikhalabyan we endla ti-content ta vana so twana no beat because bra the only thing wa good show you controller auto tune u good wa work auto tune ne I salute you u good controller auto tune but not lyrically. So let's put auto-tune aside since you claim you're the best rapper. We learned a lot just to claim ako. And another thing legend sexako. And check out Facebook away and check out all your way. I'm posting one side way. Since no one poster yellow bone lera me now soon like posters keep done just how shock shakal. I know to push tumba queen and been busman and me in Jessiake shock shakal or single poster as if ngari ulata komba meku na una yellow bone flexa kahle ngwenye ngaphunti flexa kahle ngwenye sukwenda xitsitsi. So yeah, let's go live battle man away yabo ingayisa ka next ya Chavi, but I don't think Chavi watapfumela because since RDP I got platform da man RDP anga vonaki and disappointer, and then kuba na that boy wale Bush still stands ku pull up ka Chavi ta dlina twanga ri say why. I don't think wa ta inika platform mara for DJ West this track we deserve bra serious bet ngoma ngena studio record the la way win ndot. You don't deserve this track from me. So let's go live battle, live battle. Lema kaya la PHP, it's very beautiful and hot. Palavura tikora silo. So yeah, let's go live battle. Anok challenge info. Na accept the challenge your way. Because the way rasa so it's like ngari. Utwangari maybe just because other rappers are not responding you. Utwangari maybe it's book chava or though you were not lyrical, you were just having our quality. Yeah. Pementiso na pumela ka studio, yes, you do have a quality. Kala una studio sha quality. Dobo look shavela nwana mama cause nwana mama oyobo. Awulu shaveriwa studio shesho so but it's okay. You controller auto-tune good bra. Go to over auto-tune. We got go. Let that what T-Pain it there. Good leti. But lyrically, la tasaka homeboy. Warwana song. Nubula wear DJ Pads. Anu geki pen just straight and who's of gegan. One fellow no gegan can irritate Vitorawe. Yeah, so let's go live battle, bra. I come siku. I come date. I come venue. And then I prove velana mena we ku man lo dlaya ku rap. I prove velana mena we. Akutumbele we studio, akutumbele we beat. Akutumbele we auto tune. We just do it live. Whenever already bramina, maranta kunika nkaru prepare because I never over undisappoint over work. And like betla namun wa work. Cause work na swi twa swi vhesa leswi mi nga swi humesa na brawe mi work both of you work there's someone ni nga respond swi vesana no work, so let's do it live and not just way hambi brawe leyi n'wana yo loko yi twa yi ri up for life bet, let's do it. Whenever you guys are ready, look, I feel like me ready. Let's go. Screensaver was born ready, so let's do it.